COVID-19 in Kerala, the border areas of Karnataka have stepped up the vigil and the health teams are monitoring those crossing into Karnataka from Kerala. For systems, checkpoints have been set up in Kodagu for the same. Isha is joining us live on the broadcast to help us with more details. Isha, if we talk about the COVID situation, there are cases that are on a rise, especially if we talk about in Kerala. The border areas of Karnataka have in fact stepped up the vigil and the health teams are monitoring as far as those crossing into Karnataka from Kerala. So quite a lot of strict vigil and preparations that have been made currently. Help us with more details on those regard.
Right, yes. This is the new variant of coronavirus which has sparked some amount of suspicion. I wouldn't say panic because the cases aren't very severe yet, but there is definitely some suspicion in the Indians considering that the new cases, that this new variant has come in, and in fact cases are rising. In fact, the most cases have come in from Kerala, and that is precisely why, as you were rightly pointing out, that borders are being checked from Kerala, and in fact in Karnataka masks have also been mandated for anyone who is 60 plus. But reading from official numbers that came in today at 8 a.m, the morning bulletin that the health ministry rolls out, that's stating that it was about 142 fresh cases in the last 24 hours, and currently, the active caseload stands close to 2,000, which is 1,970. So, the active caseload is present in the national capital. However, there are only 1 or 2 cases, but there is nothing to panic. However, there is something very interesting about this, is that while the cases are also rising, there are also equal, if not equal, at least similar amount of recoveries that are also coming in. At least in Kerala, if 115 today are admitted or have tested positive, 113 have also gone back home safely or have also been testing negative. Other than that, tomorrow at 10 a.m, Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia will be chairing a virtual meet in which he will be taking stock of all states, and he will be making sure that all ICU beds and oxygen cylinders are present and are there in adequate amounts, so that nobody who ever faces a crisis with coronavirus has to deal with that. So in fact, there is no panic right now. Even though the cases are rising, it is an increase from the previous days, but no panic. That is what the health ministry has reiterated. No panic at the moment, and only it's for the days to come as to how we can contain it better. Back to you.